What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're going to be working on this Camaro today. We're going to be putting an F1 Procharger on it. Psych! It's the smallest boy that they got. And it comes as a complete kit, so it's got injectors, intercooler, tuner, and stuff like that. So I'm pretty excited. So let's go ahead and pull it on the lift, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so we went ahead and took the intake off real quick, got the whole Procharger laid out, the whole kit. Sorry for the wind. So came with a dampener, all the goodies. This is a whole tuner kit, so it'll have an X4 with a preloaded tune. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Let's dig into this. Went ahead real quick and swapped the relocation bracket for the power steering pump. Got the crank extension on there with the supplied bolts and hardware. Got the stretch belt on. So yeah, it's coming together. So we got a few more things we got to do to the drive system right here. We're gonna put this side on and everything. So yeah, I'm excited. Alright guys, just to follow up with you, we got the Procharger on, all the charge pipes, intercooler, the blow-off valve. We got a few more things we got to do. We got to swap out the injectors real quick. We're doing the relocation for the windshield washer reservoir. And I think that pretty much is it, right?
Yeah, and then injectors and the fuel system. Whatever that consists of. Yeah. Oh, and we have to do the bypass for the coolant too.
Okay, cool.
And then we're good.
Sweet. So we're chugging along, so. Alright. Alright guys, so let's get the first start up. Hopefully we did everything right. Yeah! Woohoo! What do you think, dude?
Sounds good.
Nice. Follow us for more life hacks. What's up, guys? So we're just doing some drivability testing right now in the Camaro. We're gonna send a log off to Procharger, make sure everything's good. They want us to kind of do like some driving around and a couple of like partial throttle pulls to watt pulls, and everything seems like it's okay. It's driving really smooth. know, Procharger is a straight cut gear, so it's kind of loud. So that's a little different.
Yeah, it is a little loud, but that's what the customer wanted, right?
Yep.
Procharger. But yeah, I mean, it's getting there. So we're just gonna cruise around for 10-15 minutes, check fluids, make sure everything's good, and then we'll data log and then we'll send it off to them and see if it needs to be revised. If it does, they will. If not, they say it's good, then it's going home to the customer.
Yep.
Alright guys, so we just got the tune revised with Procharger. They sent us another file. It was pretty good before, but they just went over drivability and stuff, so they want us to data log 1 watt pull, send it to them. They're going to get a final revision, and then should be good to go back to the customer. So we're gonna do 1 watt pull real quick over in Mexico. Everything looks good, so the juice. Woo. Feels pretty healthy.
Yeah, it feels pretty good.
What do you think? Butt dyno?
Probably makes about 5.
That's what I was
like
thinking.
520-ish. That's what it kind of feels like.
So, but you also got to think though, this is your base entry Procharger kit.
Yeah, it's like
the biggest pulley that you can put on it.
Yeah, it's like 5 pounds, something like that.
He could do a field system. You can get a smaller pulley, and this thing could make pretty good power if he really wanted to.
Yeah, I mean, he could probably make about 650, like 700 maybe.
Right.
With the, you know, of course, the right supporting mods. So, yeah.
But we're gonna take this thing and we're gonna go wash it off for the customer real quick, and then we're gonna be delivering it to Daytona.
Yep.
All right. Well, so much for going to get a bath for the old girl. It's storming.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna load her up. We're gonna get all his factory OEM parts and stuff back together, and we are going to cruise down to Daytona, drop this thing off.
Yeah.
Another happy customer.
I'm excited, man.
I'm sure we'll get his reaction. Maybe go for a ride along or something with the owner. See what he thinks.
We'll see, depending on it.
We are looking at getting signed on with Procharger as a dealer. So if any of you guys are looking for, you know, Prochargers, we also deal with Whipple and whatnot. But the Procharger kit for an entry level, like you want another 100-150 horsepower, man, that's the way to go.
Oh yeah.
Like, you know, it's not bad. There's 0 modification to the car, just about. And it actually rips pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, if you got the money to spend, you want a quick car, it makes cool whooshy sounds.
Yeah, that's the route to take.
That's the way to go. So let us know for sure. Our schedule's opening up here, so if you guys got something that you want to get worked on or built, let us know. What are these guys doing? What the hell are you guys doing here? Weird. We got a little bit of everything going on today. What's up, buddy?
Explain to
Suffering.
What do you got going on?
What happened to your tube?
Well, someone torqued my tube too hard and it broke.
Somebody torqued your tube. Where are the bolts at?
You want to see what jangle jangle? Oh, I think right there.
He broke. He had torque tube coupler failure. They're aftermarket. Somehow he managed to snap the bolts, every one of the bolts.
Oh, that's the different one.
And 2 separate spots. Going a little hard, I guess.
What's in the mystery box? Oh my god, is it new parts? No, it's a bunch of broken shit. Thanks, bro thing.
That's bad, dude. I still don't understand how you snap bolts in 2 different spots.
It just sucks.
Weird. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, meant for drag racing, not drifting, apparently.
I guess.
It's fucking irritating. Too many clutch kicks.
Yeah.
I literally
So, but yeah, so he has a drift event. Greg, you have an Instagram or anything?
Topless 240.
Topless 240. But yeah, he has a drift event tomorrow at the Freedom Factory. So we're helping him out, replacing the torque tube and his C5. So go over and check him out for more carnage like this. Me and Greg go way back, like way back.
Hey, if you
when we were
scroll down
dummies.
on his channel, you can see a video of him doing a burnout in his BMW on the trailer.
That's on his channel?
Yeah, that's on the
Way,
channel from
way
years
back.
ago, bro.
Yeah. So, but all right, we're gonna get this thing loaded up. It's running great. It's raining. So I think we've had about enough of the Camaro, and let's go ahead and take her home. What do you think?
I'm ready for it.
Here, let me do like you do to me. What do you think, bud?
Well, I think it'll be a good.
You good?
Yeah.
Here, like this. This is what you do to me. What do you think, bud?
Well, I think it'll be a good.
You have beautiful eyes, man.
Thank you.
God dang.
Sheesh. Sheesh. All right, guys. So you saw it. We got the Procharger installed. Did the tuning, everything. Now I want to get the customer's reactions and ask him a few things, how he likes it. So what do you think of it so far, bud?
Pretty good. I like the power in this now.
Yeah.
It hauls ass. That's good. Procharger's the way to go.
Yeah, we definitely, it was a fun install, definitely a good informational video, so. You pretty happy with it?
I'm happy with it, man. It's Pete Sherman.
Yeah.
Kicks ass, man.
Awesome, dude. Well, we appreciate it.
Thank you.
And we appreciate you guys watching the video. Definitely like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Sounds good. You like it, man?
Like it a lot, man.
Awesome.